In the box. Out of the box. 1 egg. 2 eggs. This is something. I spent $12 on this. No bad feelings. I just sort of have to do this for personal reasons. Please don't be offended by any of this. I'm not trying to forfeit my place in the giveaway. Just that. Yeah. Let's get that out of frame. I bought some stuff from Speedcube Shop because a friend of mine told me that they were doing this mystery egg thing, and I thought, why not get some stuff? And it turns out I got 2 containers of Galaxy Lube, which I have no idea what it's like or what it'll do, but I can always use another container of lube. I was almost out of this, whatever Mario lube this is, and my Lubical one was also almost had run out. I guess I have lube now for days, and technically I got a deal because the egg was $2.95. Oh, $4.95, and the lube is $4.99. So I got 4 cents off of these. I guess I'll try these lubes sometime, but I need to go take a thumbnail now.